Hola clase. In this video we are going to go through one of the two methods of solving systems of equations, the elimination method, but in a 3x3. Remember what's the objective? When I choose the elimination method, which happens to be the one that most of you feel the most comfortable with out of the two, what you want is to eliminate one variable out of the two equations that you have. Now, the thing is you have three equations, and to solve, I need one equation with one variable. So I'm going to have to do this step twice. And for that, I've got a recipe that is going to work every time. So I've got here a generic system. You see, I don't know the numbers, so I call them A1, B1, C1, K1, 2. But of course, it's a 3x3 because I've got my three variables, x, y, and z, and I've got three equations. So first of all, I need to decide on the variable to eliminate. And for that, because I'm mostly for sure going to have to adjust the coefficients, I can choose which one. There's not going to be one that is much more obviously easy to do than the rest. So it's better if I have a system. So for example, you can go, okay, I'm always going to work from this side onwards, and I'm going to try always to eliminate the x first. Others of you may go, no, I'm less used to work with the sets, so this is the one I'm going to eliminate every time. Doesn't matter where you start, but if you've got a system, it always gives you a point to start and you can go from there. After that, you're going to have to adjust the coefficients because you're going to create a 2x2 system. So imagine that we go through that one and we eliminate the x, okay? Eliminate the x. You're going to have to do it two times. So you're going to have to combine these two, and then you're going to have to combine these two, for example. That would give you a system with only y's and z's. But of course, the numbers now will be different. So A, B, C, I'm going to call them D's and E's. Whichever number it is, okay? I don't know which ones. Still gives me constant. Before, I always started here on a 2x2. Now, from a 3x3, I need to turn into a 2x2, but still, I'm not in that step. I cannot just solve because for that I need one equation with one variable. So then I need to choose a second variable to eliminate. Again, if I've got a system, I can always follow that system. Let's say that, for example, from here you would eliminate the y because you're going alphabetically. Again, doesn't matter. After that, you will have one equation with one variable, and you would be able to solve that one. You would be able to get, for example, z equals a number. But remember, your solution looks like three different parts in itself because that point has three dimensions. So once you got one of them, what you're going to have to do is work backwards. From this one, you will be able to solve the one that you eliminated the last, and you will be able to get to, in this case, y equals a number. And after that, you will be able to choose whichever from here, work backwards until you solve all of them. And in this case, you've got three variables. You know you finish when you find three solutions, one for each one of them. After that, what do you have to do? Give a solution, tidy it up. Number, number, number. And because you don't want to be searching for and making the person who's going to mark your test search for all over, you make it clear. I know I'm finished. This is my solution. What you're searching for here is for a point with three coordinates. Because remember, this is the point where three planes are intersecting, and if two of them intersect in a line, that line will cut this plane in one point only. That's the one. And mathematically you're saying the same. That point makes all of three true at the same time, makes all of them valued. It crosses them. Now, this process works every time. I recommend you choose your own system. Most of us will go X, Y, Z because it's easy. Experiment with a couple of them, go for it. If all of things is clear enough, you're ready to go and start practicing. If you want to see one of these in action, that's going to be the next video. Thanks for watching.